Hey traders, ready to trade your ODTE options, those same-day expiration contracts on Robinhood. They're high risk, high reward, and super popular. So I'll show you how to enable ODTE trading on Robinhood. So guys, just open the Robinhood app on your phone or iPhone or Android, tap the account icon in the bottom right, then go to settings and investing. If options trading isn't active, tap get options trading. Complete the questionnaire about your trading experience, income, and risk tolerance. Then agree to the risk disclosure. Robinhood will review this to approve you for Level 2 options trading, which includes ODTE. I got tripped up on the questions once, answer honestly. Once approved, go back to the settings and then investing, options trading, options settings, Look for toggle like trade on expiration day to enable ODTE trading. If you don't see it, Robinhood may not have rolled out this option to your accounts yet. Contact support through the app's help section to request access. So guys, also you can set price alerts in Robinhood to track ODTE, volatility, and use the test mode to practice once you have been approved. Questions? Share them below, like and subscribe and ring the bell for more. See you next time.